root words in English vocabulary. Roots are the original or basic building blocks of a word. Many of the English words have been formed by a combination of the root words derived from Greek, Latin, German, etc. For example, the Latin root word, gen, can be seen in the following English words. Gen. Meaning: birth, origin, creation or race. By learning the root word, gen, you could easily learn all the following derivatives of this root. Congenital. Relating to a condition present at birth, congenital disease. Progeny. The children born to a person. Genteel. Elegant, graceful, as typical of one born to the upper class. Generic. Relating to all the members of a genus, class, group, or kind. Genesis. The birth or origin of something. Genuine. Originating from the one true source. Indigenous. Born in or growing naturally in a region. Genocide. Killing a racial or cultural group. Homogeneous. Originating from the same kind. Heterogeneous. Originating from the different kind. From this list of words, you could understand that just by learning a few root words you might easily understand the meaning of several words that are based on these roots. This is one of the important approaches to improve your vocabulary knowledge or word power. We will discuss 2 approaches in this session. In our next video, we will discuss some more approaches. Vocabulary, roots, prefixes, and suffixes approach. Roots indicate the meaning of the word. Prefixes modify the meaning of the word. And suffixes indicate the part of speech of the word. Note, some root words have several derivatives. For example, over a dozen English words have been formed with Greek root word cide, meaning to kill. It means you could easily learn all these English words just by learning a single root word, Greek root word cide, meaning to kill. Fratricide, killing brother. Sororicide, killing sister. Patricide, killing father. Matricide, killing mother. Uxoricide, killing wife. Mariticide, killing spouse. Regicide, killing the king. Suicide, killing oneself. Feticide, killing fetus. Infanticide, killing infants. Homicide, killing one human being by another. Genocide, killing a racial or cultural group. Prefixes. Prefixes appear at the beginning and modify the meaning of the word. Post, pre, anti, ante, etc. are examples of prefixes. Post. Meaning after. Example: postmortem, postpone, postdated. Pre. Meaning before. Example: prepaid, predetermine. Re. Meaning again. Example: return, rediscover, reunite. Semi. Meaning have. Example: semicircle, semifinal, semi-government. Inter. Meaning between. Example: international. Ante. Meaning before. Example: antediluvian, antemeridian. Anti. Meaning against. Example: antidote. Suffixes. Suffixes appear at the end of the word and indicate its part of speech of the word. Noun suffixes. Words ending with these suffixes are nouns. Acy. Meaning state or quality. Example: democracy. Al. meaning the action or process of. Example: denial. ANCE. ENCE. Meaning state of. Example: tolerance. DOM. Meaning place or state of being. Example: kingdom. ITY. TY. Meaning quality of. Example: extremity. MENT. Meaning condition. Example: arrangement. NESS. Meaning state of being. Example: fitness. SHIP. Meaning position. Example: relationship. SION. TION. Meaning state of being. Example: cohesion. Adjective suffixes. Words ending with these suffixes are adjectives. ABLE. IBLE. Meaning capable of being. Example: incredible. AL. Meaning having the character of. Example: moral. Mercurial. FUL. Meaning notable for. Example: faithful. Skillful. ICAL. Meaning having character of. Example: dynamic. Nonsensical. IOUS. OUS. Meaning characterized by. Example: virtuous, generous. ISH. Meaning having the quality of. Example: childish, selfish. IVE. Meaning having the nature of. Example: inquisitive. Productive. LESS. Meaning without. Example: hopeless. Aimless. Verb suffixes. Words ending with these suffixes are verbs. ATE. Meaning become. Example: mediate. Create. EN. Meaning become. Example: sharpen. Strengthen. IFY. FY. Meaning make or become. Example: justify. Simplify. ISE. IZE. Meaning become. Example: publicize. Another approach to vocabulary is the formation of a group of synonyms which then could be associated with a familiar person who possesses those qualities. Also, you need to know the usage of each word and some examples or sentences having these words. Thus, you need to follow a couple of approaches to improve your word power. The 4 words belong to one group. They are synonyms of arrogant or boastful. They are bragging, haughty, imperious, and presumptuous. This word group has been associated with the image given on the right-hand side. For more such lists, Please visit our website www.hyderabadhub.com and go through the GRE vocab lists in the Student Resources tab. Now, learn the meaning, usage, and example for each word. Bragging. Meaning, to brag is to boast. Example: John bragged endlessly about his success in the test. Usage: bragging youth, bragging songs, empty bragging, excessive bragging. Haughty. Meaning, expressing arrogant superiority. Usage: haughty reply, haughty lady, haughty demeanor, haughty monarch. Example: the haughty businessman boasts that he is a noble by birth. Imperious. Meaning, arrogant. Usage: imperious manner, imperious gesture, imperious voice, imperious temper. Example: with an imperious gesture, Martha ordered her maid to clean the table. Presumptuous. Meaning, excessively forward, arrogant. Usage: presumptuous confidence, presumptuous maid, presumptuous claim, presumptuous intrusion. Example: it would be presumptuous to say that our party would form the next government. We are going to post more vocab or word lists in our next video. Please subscribe to our channel and get notifications of all our future videos. Also, for more word lists, please visit our website www.hyderabadhub.com and go through the GRE vocab lists in the Student Resources tab.